Hello, we're here at the Spin Master booth at New York Toy Fair 2020 to check out the latest products from the company that brought you such famous lines as air hogs and Hatchimals. Today, though, we're not exactly looking at little hatching creatures or RC cars. We are checking out new robots called Ninja Bots. I mean, maybe you thought that ninjas went out with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? Not so. Ninja Bots are adorable little robots that will battle each other. They have sensors in them so they can sense each other's presence and totally go after them with that pure fighting spirit. There's different levels of expertise, too. They start off at white belt and can work their way through the ranks with yellow belt up to a black belt. With each battle, they will learn new skills. And it's not totally autonomous. It's not that you're just going to let this guy run around your house and you have no idea what they're going to do next. You can give them their own weapons, including, a frying pan, if you really want to get things a little, sizzling on the battlefield. And they will ask you what kind of battle style you'll do, which is indicated by swinging your hand in front of it, like chopping it. I guess like a karate chop, huh? These ninja bots aren't like real ninjas that are supposed to be silent but deadly. They have full personalities. They will trash talk before the battle begins, and then they will make all sorts of noises, screams, and whatever else they can intimidate their tiny, pint-sized enemy. And of course, when one falls over in inevitable defeat, the other will do a little victory dance because they know they're the top robot. There are 3 ninja bots available in red, black, and blue, and they will be $50 when they're released this August. This is not Spin Master's first sensor-equipped robot. This builds on the technology that we saw in previous years, but the programming is completely different. This is totally a combat-oriented robot. Because, let's face it, we love robots that help us, but we love watching them fight each other even more. And I'm sure that when the robot revolution comes, Ninja Bots will be Exhibit A. But for now, ninjas are cool, robots are cool, so why not check it out at this year's Toy Fair? And remember, if you want to see more from this year's Toy Fair, be sure to like and subscribe Engadget on YouTube and follow our stories on Engadget.com.